It's Rusty Russ, back with that market update. Blood in the Streets, guys, episode 4. Here we go. Shit is all kinds of crazy right now. This is oil selling off. This is, what is this? This is the S&P 500. Just break a pattern, downtrending. The NASDAQ. 10-year fell today. No one gives a fuck. Doesn't even matter, guys. That shit just bled. 1.4% from last night. From market open. From like 2 a.m. it went down 1.4% since 2 a.m. last night. The futures did. Very bloody. Very bloody, guys. Here's the support right here, though. I mean, we can see, if we can see a MACD cross and some bullishness, which just any amount of bullishness right here, guys, we can at least test here, and this might be a good exit unless we can break this, which we might be able to. I mean, there's no reason why we shouldn't be able to, but a lot of people are bears right now, guys. A lot of bears. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Right here at the support as well. Went even lower today. Just sold off just right now. While we were watching it, guys. Sold off pretty hard. Well, not really that hard, but you know, that's what it did. It's kind of recovering. I mean, can it break? I mean, yeah, probably. I think the reopening trade's still alive and well. We're still getting really good economic data and unlimited QE. You know, I think this is just a small correction. And if you picked up any positions right before market close, you should be fine. Let's take it. All right, so let's get into it. Let's look at some. Apple had that event today, and here we go. And it sold off, and I think it brought the market down with it. Adobe, and then everyone was looking for a reason to sell. So yeah, there was a reason. Amazon. So I had my girl called me wanting to invest, talking about put credit spreads. She opened up a Tastyworks, guys. She was like, what should I get in? Contact me around this area, guys. I was like, fuck it, get some Amazon, you know, get some 33.35, 33.40. I mean, expiring next Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday. I mean, that should be pretty easy money. You should be able to at least get 20% out of that. And then right after market close, death. GG. I mean, can it go back up to 340? Probably. I mean, like, probably though. Between now and next week, like, probably pretty easily. AMD, Amazon, American Express, they have earnings. Blink was green today, guys. Blink was actually green, 1.45%. I mean, there's always a bull market somewhere. Fucking hell. Maybe Kathy Woods was right, you know? Once everything starts bleeding, if you just have something that can't bleed any further, you're going to be fine. You might as go as a cash position. I don't know. BYND bleeding. Everything's blood, guys. Caterpillar. My bomb-ass Caterpillar position that I got, you know? That I thought was really good, guys. Right up until it wasn't. I don't know. I still think Cat's fine. I mean, I think we should be fine with Cat. Coinbase, put it up here for you guys. All the way down to 312. I didn't play it. Was this Deere? Deere should be fine too. I think industrials are going to be fine. Disney just got an upgrade to like over $200 for its price target. Like, I'm pretty sure Disney can break above 200. I think Disney's going to recover all of this. All of this. Like, I think Disney's a really easy play for sure. I think anything industrial is a good play. DraftKings getting fucking wrecked. Facebook, what? Like, it just got real bullish, guys. It touched this right here, and people are like, yeah, right, but small businesses are advertising right now. The Zuckerberg is about to make a killing. Like, people got real smart, guys. They said, under $300, let's go. I mean, this thing's worth at least 360. That was a smart move. Like I keep saying, Apple, like, you know, it's just like they were saying today. It's a matter of when they make an electric car. It's not a matter of if, you know. So I mean, when they announce, it's going to be priced in immediately. I'm gonna wish you did not sell Apple ever. Like ever. Like don't sell your Apple shares, guys. It's a dumb idea. GameStop, direct. But like how much though? Like if you bought it like here, thought you were a cool dude. I mean, that's 15% move. That shit is crazy. Google McDougal, not really down that much. I mean, it kind of held its own. Goldman Sachs, absolutely wrecked. Home Depot finally took a dip down to 322. Even Home Depot can't make an all-time high every single day. JP Morgan, what else? I mean, it just trades between 140, 149 and like 155. I mean, that's where it lives. Southwest Airlines, it has earnings because United came out with their earnings and it was garbage, and people are like, oof, sell the airlines, and who just dumped them. MasterCard, it has earnings. Does it? No, I think American Express and Discover, right, this week. Microsoft, down 0.19%. Unfazed. Microsoft doesn't sell off, guys. Netflix. Like, I was gonna get call credit spreads, guys. I really was. Like, even here, I was like, that's just gonna tank. And it did. Down, what is that? What did it fall? Like 10%, 15%? It would have to go back up 15% to get what it was today. Absolutely nuts. I mean, everyone has Disney Plus. Who wants to fuck with Netflix? You know what I mean? I mean, that's why people had Netflix. Wasn't Disney on Netflix at some point? And now everyone's on Disney Plus. Neo. Was Neo green? Neo was green today, guys. Craziness. Nvidia, down 1.24%. Uh-oh, here's our favorite stock, down 5% today, guys. Hope you picked up some shares. PayPal, wrecked, absolutely wrecked today, guys. I think PayPal is gonna make its way back up. I mean, it just announced that you can trade crypto via Venmo, like on the Venmo app. Like, I mean, that was not priced in, guys. That was not priced in, and it didn't get priced in because of all the blood. So I think tomorrow, once the blood stops, you know, I mean, Disney should go up because I think the news for Netflix was bullish Disney, like really. But I think PayPal should definitely go up as well. But we'll see what happens, guys. Who knows? Maybe the market opens like down 1,000 points. You never know. I mean, I've seen it before. I mean, it probably won't though. Snapchat. Good thing we got rid of our Snapchat, guys, in this area, because I mean, poof, that would have been unrecoverable. We would have lost that entire position. I would not have done that. I mean, 5%. That would suck. Square was green on the day. Fuck it. Square was like, we're already low enough. We're not going lower. SWKS down 1.69%. Tractor Company. I mean, they do the tractor supply company. They have earnings, by the way, guys. This is also why I think CAT is going to be bullish, and people are going to start buying CAT, because I think in sympathy with the tractor supply company's earnings, and we're going to see real good earnings out of tractor supply company on Friday, I believe it is, before market open. And people are going to be like, yo, what about CAT too? And, you know, I mean, CAT is only down like 2% or something today, not like really not that much. You know, I think we're going to see both of these stocks get pretty bullish before Friday. ExxonMobil, I mean, is anybody surprised? No, I'm just kidding. Probably just went down because the market went down, but I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, frankly. I mean, you think I would? Because I wouldn't. But guys, it's been absolute blood in the streets. I mean, the fact that the Nasdaq just sold off this hard and didn't really recover, it still hasn't recovered at all. You know, and we're after market hours right now, guys, and it's just not recovering. It should, in fact, recover though. Like eventually, this MACD will cross, and it'll at least make its way up here. I don't think it'll go falling knife. There's really no reason. I mean, the other thing, it could go here, or it could go here. I just don't think it'll go here anytime soon. I mean, make a 1.62% move, like, to the downside. Like, I don't think so. I mean, there's just not enough bearishness for that to happen. You know, I mean, for what? I mean, we have a limited QE, you know, and I mean, everyone's afraid of the 10-year. I mean, it's as low as it's ever been, in the last couple of months anyways. You know, and don't forget, guys, everyone wants to talk about balance sheets and cash and cash equivalents and all this other stuff. And, you know, PE ratios, like big tech calls shots. They have the most money out of everyone. You know, they perform. And if you're long big tech, like, there's really no reason to sell, like, ever. If you're long Apple, for example, or Facebook, and you sell Apple or Facebook, like, you're not a long-term investor. Like, you're a swing trader, okay? And you're leaving money on the table because you could hold that for 30 years. I mean, there's just really no. That's why I think it's so hilarious when we see, you know, Apple sell off and it's not even near an all-time high because of the stupid Apple event. Like, who cares? You know, they're about to make electric cars. You know, I mean, they're selling for 132 and electric cars aren't priced in. You know, I mean, it's hilarious. And that chip shortage shit, you know, that'll be resolved eventually. So if you're long, I mean, there's really no reason to be selling big tech, in my opinion. You know, especially like Caterpillar. So another thing, right now I'm seeing the deals in Facebook, Amazon, Cat, and PayPal. Caterpillar, especially, guys, like, I mean, I think Caterpillar's easy money. I mean, it's got 3% to its 20-day high, but, like, I really think it's worth a lot more than it's selling for, guys. Like, I think Cat can get ultra bullish. Like, I really think it can get ultra level bullish. I think it's worth, like, at least 260, frankly. I mean, they're about to pass that infrastructure bill through reconciliation in Congress. Congress has included, just for you guys just in case you guys don't know, they included a lot of fluff in the bill that probably can't go through the reconciliation, which means that the Democrats can use certain powers to dodge a filibuster and use a simple majority. So they're kind of setting up for that. For some reason, I don't know why they don't just go for that. You know, the Republicans would. But I guess they're playing a bunch of theater right now. They're kind of like messaging back and forth like, oh, hey, come and try to negotiate with us. Neither party wants to negotiate. It's all bullshit. Like, you know, like, they're just saying that so that when it comes time for reconciliation, they can be like, oh, well, we invited you to negotiate with us and you didn't negotiate. That was on you, so we had to. Like, all that shit is bullshit, guys. Like, they're gonna pass this infrastructure bill and Cat's gonna get all bullish. And I think now's the time definitely to buy Cat. Also, if you buy it before the 24th, you will get a dividend payment on their next dividend date. So, I mean, that's also a thing. I'm definitely buying some Cat. I bought some Cat before market closed. I think it's a really good company, guys. And it's really set up for this. This is crazy. You know, are we gonna go lower? Probably not. I don't think so. I think we're gonna hold here, and we're gonna turn around. Like, well, even while we're watching the video, like, I don't know, could happen. Yeah, I think this can definitely. I'm gonna reevaluate it at 33,901. That's why I have an alert here. Maybe even 3350. Like, this is the area that I'll start to see what's going on. And then we have, like, unemployment data coming out Thursday, like we always do. Like, I think it's gonna wow people again. You know what I mean? Like, looking into the future. Additionally, like, when it comes to tech selling off, big tech has earnings next week, guys. This is a bluff. Like, who wants to sell tech right before earnings? That's a dumb idea. You know, especially when Apple's got meat on the bone and so does Facebook. And I think Amazon's gonna show us why. You know, show us what's up. And that's what I think is going on, guys. Do I think the market's going to crash? I don't think so. You know, I think from where we are right now, there's plenty of meat on the bone. And if you know anything about Wall Street, They like meat. They like to eat. They don't, a lot of people are trigger happy. They don't keep money on the sidelines for long, which makes sense. I mean, unlimited QE, money printing at full blast. The economy's reopening. We get better and better data every week. I mean, people are getting fully vaccinated. There's about to be, $1.5 trillion worth of more spending. That might include an additional stimulus or something, is what they were saying. I know that they're going to pass an infrastructure bill, though. They're talking about student loan relief. A lot of good things is happening on the horizon, guys. What would change this, you might ask? The market environment did not change from Friday to today. So there shouldn't be, nothing should change. Like, we should see continued bullishness. When we wouldn't see bullishness, guys, would be like if the Fed came out and was talking about they're not going to be purchasing, they're not going to be holding up the bond market anymore, or they're going to calm down on that. But they said that they're going to do that in like September. So we got plenty of time to be bullish until then. There's really no need to be bearish here. And tech is, red currently, down 0.59% as of this video. Even from here was the market closed here, and that was that Apple event, right? Or nope, where was that Apple event? It was here where it dipped, and then Netflix brought tech down. And here we go at this support right here. I think we're gonna go sideways, maybe all night, and then we're gonna go back up. I think this is an opportunity to buy, and hopefully you can buy before it goes up in the morning. Like, it might already be up in the morning, which might suck for you if you were scared. But I know a lot of you guys have diamond hands, so and you may have picked up some positions before market close. All right, guys. And if it does go lower, guys, well, I mean, fucking hell. I just don't think it will. I really don't. It's just too bullish. I think Disney can go to $200 a share before anybody knows what happens. Like, really, guys. Like, was that 2% back to 190? 4%? Like, I really think this stock is super good. I think, like, Disney, everyone wants to go to Disneyland in the summer. Yeah, it's got 10% to 200. That's a 10% move. It's got 10% meat on the bone. Fucking hell. And then, what was its price target increase to? Like, was it $220? That's a 20% move, guys. Like, buy Disney. Disney's a buy. Disney's a buy. And so is Cat, and PayPal's also a buy, and Apple and Facebook, and probably Amazon as well. And that's what I see in the market right now, guys. You can probably buy Square and Planet 13 for sure if you don't have it. Make sure to smash the like button. Leave a comment. Say what's up. Tell me what you think about the track. If you think the music is too damn loud, just, come out on the porch and shake your fist at me from across the street. Like, that's fine. That doesn't bother me. Alright, guys. That'll be it for me. Deuce.